We start walking, hiking. Kayang-kaya to. Si Bebe Sexy. Kaya namin to. Wala kaming uurungan. So good kung so good. Ay, grabe, ang ganda dito.
Wow,
Ano?
2 hours more.
Ha?
2 hours.
2 hours walk? This is 2 hours walk. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, me too.
He's old.
it's old.
Yeah, we used to go out.
All the time.
Yeah, he's 10 years old and
Oh.
sometimes he just halfway he wanna go back. So.
What country you from?
Japan.
Oh, Japan. Japan. Oh,
Oh, Japan is so
it's
nice.
so nice.
Yeah. Have you been to Japan?
No,
No, not yet. We're planned.
but my sister
Yeah.
bring her my mind.
It's a very popular destination
What is
now.
that?
Yeah.
And everything is cheap there.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Here too.
Yeah, well, yeah. If you're gonna use the dollar, you know, right? Yeah. But if you're gonna use the Philippine money, it's too
the dollar
expensive.
is more money in Japan.
Because we're from
How long you
Philippines.
been here?
Oh, I'm here 30 years.
Wow. You have 30 years?
Yeah. I born in LA, grown up in Japan. We moved here.
You have husband?
We live in Germany for 6 years. And then
Oh, Germany is nice too.
With your dog?
my ex-husband was German,
Ah.
but his uncle married Filipino,
Oh.
and they built a hotel in Philippines, Cabilao,
Where is it?
Kabayang?
Corales Island.
Ah,
Cabilao.
what does that mean? Mindanao o Bisaya?
Bisaya, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, very many Filipino in Germany.
Oh. So that's good.
Yeah.
It's a tunnel.
How was it going? Okay.
Hey, Hugo, your mom is calling you.
Kaya. Ang ganda, oo. Ang ganda doon. Kaya namin to. Kaya ko to. 2 hours daw kami dito. Maglalakad. Dito kabil magandang mag-wish.
Go walk in. Wow, this does look like
Oh no. Diyan may tulay siya. Oh. May tulay. See the tulay. Actually, maano na siya dito.
Alam ko na ito, no?
Wow.
Sa Pilipinas, alam mo na, ito din yung akyatan nyo. Again, a hike there in Laguna.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Ang tataas ng trees. Ganun kataas ang trees dito. Ang mahirap dito kasi ang daming rock, mga bato. Kung kaya ni Lola, kaya ko rin. Grabe. May tubig naman ako. Just in case kasi She said 2 hours walk until maabot yung waterfalls. See, datan mga dinadaanan na namin. Nandun na sila. Kailangan pagdating sa waterfall, kailangan natin maligo. Nagdala ka? Hindi ko dala. Oh.
Malay mo, nagdala sila sa backpack nila, Lord.
Yeah. Pwede ba dito nakahubad? Wala talaga to. Dire-diretso to. Dire-diretso to. Walang pahinga. Oo. Si Lola nga kaya. Kakayanin. Kaya ko to. Oops. Itong gusto nyo. Itong pinunta nyo dito. What is there? What is there? Oh, just water.
And from here, there's actually a big hiking trail from the waterfall, the Ayolama Trail. It takes like an hour
Look
to
at
go
there.
up, and then you sprint out to huge trails where you can spend days connecting to the different paths.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Better.
I
oh my gosh.
know. We need it.
But it's only one way in and out, so that's good. You never lost. It's scary.
Yeah.
Wrong turn. I always watch that movie. Once your turn is wrong, goodbye.
That's why I don't want to watch that, you know. My friend said, what's that?
Watch the
Movie. No,
wrong
I said
turn.
no.
Oh,
If you're gonna watch that, I don't wanna go anywhere. Just
wrong turn.
all in the city,
Oh my goodness.
not in the mountain.
I said I cannot wear pants because my daughter said they have mosquito.
Yes, I know.
We buy.
There's a lot of mosquito here.
It's not, maybe it's not, but oh. Kaya mo tulong, kaya nga nilulay ko po.
Yeah, I know. I know. Oh my gosh. Where's the waterfalls? It's halfway. Really?
You said what? If you see the waterfall, it's 1 hour more.
What?
Oh, it is?
That's what the tour guide said.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's only 1.3 kilometers.
1.3.
Oh my.
This should only be about 20 minutes.
Okay. Not bad. At least 20 minutes is it's okay. But it's more. Oh my God. I'm gonna wait for you guys here in the side.
We go other mountain too.
Oh,
Yeah.
and we did Diamond Head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what is that.
What other mountain did you do?
Where is it, baby?
Where is that place we go?
Yesterday. It's so nice. You need to go, guys. There. It's so.
Is it the Waimea Falls?
Huh? No, it's a water
Bill, baby, what is that?
place we go yesterday. It's lighthouse, but it's in the top of the mountain.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh. Is it the Coco?
But it's so no,
It's
no.
good water.
Coco or, yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably that other lighthouse. There's 2 lighthouses there.
Oh yeah, is it the? What's the bitter one? Did you go?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Is this it to lighthouse here?
Where is that?
It was the most
Where?
Diamond Head?
Diamond Head.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We go there too.
Yeah.
Oh, are you? When are you doing that?
No, maybe we're going. We're not going there yet.
Go after this.
Oh no! Oh no! Not today.
Okay.
Maybe
that's good.
tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you want to save your energy. It's
Oh my gosh! Yeah.
not hard.
I need to eat a lot of chocolate, or make sure I'm hyper.
Yeah.
You know, because I can walk too much.
Oh, it's good. We lost our belly.
Oh, I know. We're going come back in Connecticut, so
We live in New York.
Oh,
Yeah. We're sick.
Where you live here?
Toronto.
Oh, nice.
Canada, Toronto.
Yeah.
Where waterfall.
You know, too many Filipinos there, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
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 We live in a waterfall.
Pretty close.
And
Everyone knows Niagara Falls.
We've been here when my kid is tiny.
oh my gosh. Baby Susto. She's walk fast. I can't. I'm trying my best.
Well, you know the one we watched in the movie.
Hope that was not raining.
Huh? Oh, baby Soul, I'm so tired. I need to stop there. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys finished? You're done?
Yeah.
Did you see waterfalls? Is this nice? Bill, I need to stop her. I can't walk. Ah. Oh my God. I can't walk. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's so nice there. It's a mountain. But wait, it's scary here. Nobody's in my bum. I'm tired. Oh my God. Everybody said almost there in waterfall. But I'm so tired. I can't walk. It's over there. The waterfall is here. I can walk. Grabe. It's too hard. But the waterfall's over there. At least you guys back. Going back. I'm still going. It's too hard. I can breathe too. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nasaan na si Rick? Magpapakarga ako. Dapat nandito si Jeff. Kakargahin niya ako pataas. It's so nice here. Said pagdating daw sa sa taas, worth it daw yung pagod namin. We'll see. Promise hindi ko maano na nahingal talaga ako. So nice, beautiful view. Maganda yon. So nice. Worth it pala. Trip na Hawaii trip. We're done for the waterfalls. We're going back na.
Because they're trying to control the amount of visitors.
Yeah. At least nakaano na kami. Hindi ko inaakalang ganito siya. Ang lalakarin namin. Kaya grabe, paakyat, grabe, hindi ako parang give up na ako sa hapa lang. Kaya lang yung nakakita ko ang mas matanda. Tapos nakarating siya, kaya parang napos ako. Pasaan naman yun?
Ano pala yung Diamondo? Kailangan na reserve.
Oo.
Grabe daw tao, di control.
No. Huwag na tayo pumunta kasi magbo-boating pa tayo.
Hindi, maaga pa. 9 o'clock.
Pwede pa maipunta ba tayo? Saan pa tayo? Mag-beach tayo muna. Pwede tayo maligo muna. Pabalik na kami, pababa na kami. Yay. Okay, thank you for watching.